is going on, everyone? Welcome to another acoustic R&B and neo soul guitar lesson. Today we'll take it very easy, so we'll get started with 3 -7 chords, because as we said in other acoustic R&B and neo soul videos, the -7 chords are really important in this genre. So we'll get started with F sharp minor, G sharp minor and C sharp minor. The 3 -7 chords that you find in the C sharp minor key. So basically 4 minor, 5 minor and 1 minor. Okay, so at first you could just practice to get started plucking the strings of these chords. But the other thing that I always mention in this neo soul series, in these neo soul acoustic guitar videos, is the use of the diminished 7th chords in the neo soul chord progressions. Now we'll be seeing 2 diminished 7th chords in this progression. One is a C diminished 7th, and we use it as a passing chord. So going from G sharp minor 7, we pass through the C diminished 7 to go to the C sharp minor 7 to the 1. And the other chord we'll be using it at the end of our chord progression, so after the 1, after the C sharp minor, and it's going to be the F diminished 7th. Now the function of this F diminished 7th really is the secondary diminished 7th function, meaning that this is the upper part of a C7 flat 9, which is nothing but the secondary dominant of F sharp minor, which is the first chord of this chord progression. So we only use really this chord to create the tension to start again from the 4 minor, from the F sharp minor 7. Okay, now I sometimes like to play only, this chord, so you can play sort of an arpeggio really and then start again. Or because this diminished 7th chord can be moved by 3 steps, either going across the fretboard or backwards, and you are still playing the same chord, just an inversion of itself, you can also play a D diminished 7th before the F diminished 7th. They are the same chord, so you can play, this to replace really the arpeggio on this chord only. So let's see what I mean. The first time we could play like that, okay? So using percussions or arpeggios, using embellishments like, the hammer on with the second finger on the C sharp minor 7, and also playing some chords shorter than others, so using staccatos like, okay? And the second option instead sounds like, okay, so what I played really was a short D diminished 7th, moving to a slightly longer F diminished 7th, and then it starts again. So let's listen to the whole chord progression slowly, so that if you like, you can practice along with me. And if you also need the tab, if you would like to see the tab and download the tab for this arrangement, you will find it on my Patreon page. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you become a patron, you will also support this channel to keep these lessons coming. And so on. Okay guys, so that's all for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember that you can find the full tab for this arrangement on my Patreon page. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video.